always the same questions, always the same questions. Well, one of the most frequently asked questions that I get is, can we cook a cake in our pressure cooker? Well, I'm here to tell you, yes you can, yes it's delicious, and yes it's easy. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Why would anybody want to cook a cake in their pressure cooker? Well, some people don't have access to an oven. And some people, like me, like to cook stuff in their pressure cooker because why not? So today, I'll show you how to make a quick and easy cake in the pressure cooker. Okay, so first we're going to combine all of our dry ingredients. Flour. We add the caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and just combine that evenly. Okay, once that's done, we'll add our eggs. 2 fresh eggs. Okay, now half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I usually just add half the milk, or thereabouts, give it a quick whisk. Start combining all the ingredients. And just add the rest. So now that's looking pretty nice and silky. We'll add the butter. Now we're just going to line our cake tin with a bit of baking paper. So now I'm just going to add the cake mix into the tin. Now this is where I like to get fancy on top. Looks like a giant cookie. Good enough. Alright, so now I've just added a cup of water into the bottom of the cooking vessel. Going to add this little stand here to keep the cake tin from touching the water. So here's a little tip for you when you're lowering your cake tin into the pressure vessel. So I'm just going to lower this cake tin into the pressure vessel. The best way to do that is to just put your thumbs on the inside with a bit of outwards pressure. If you can see, I'm not actually holding it, I'm just have pressure on it. The reason I do that is because you can't get your fingers between the pressure vessel and the cake tin. So anyway, we'll drop him in nice and steady. Now it's time to put the lid on. You'll find that most pressure cookers will have a cake setting. Mine doesn't have it, but I know that the meat and stew setting is basically the same. It gets up to the same temperature and goes for about 40 minutes. That's what we're after. So we're going to chuck that on, and we'll get back to you when it's done. Alright guys, the cake is done. I pulled it out. I forgot to press record, and anyway, it's finished. And I'm just waiting for my son to come home from school to try it. What do you think, Billy?
That's the best cake you've ever made, Dad.
So there you have it. How to make chocolate cake in a pressure cooker.